Hey babes!
I am a baby doll.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this soft, subtle, pretty makeup tutorial. I can't wait to show you how I created this look. So go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what type of makeup looks you would like to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe. And also, after you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I post a new video. I can't wait to see you in my next video. It doesn't matter what they think or say. Continue to wake, pray, grind, and slay.
You be my